2020 Toyota 4Runner. With less than 59,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. Fall in love with its many extra features, which include the following: lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, power driver seat, power passenger seat, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, rear spoiler, keyless entry, front bucket seats. Enjoy a test drive and experience it for yourself now.